Alright, if you're trying to open your Google Chrome but it won't open, let's see how do we fix it. Right click on Google Chrome, go to property, click on open location, right click on it, click on create shortcut.
And now when you will go to desktop there will be a shortcut. Delete the old shortcut. And now rename this newly created shortcut Chrome. Now again right click on that shortcut, click on properties. And now click on compatibility tab and then check this run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8. Now click on apply and click on OK. So now, just go to this location. I have pasted this path in the description of the video given below. You can directly copy that path from the video description. Just right click on the start button, click on run and paste this path, click on OK. Now when you will reach in this folder AppData local Google Chrome user data. Now there will be a default folder here. Just copy that folder and take a backup of that folder somewhere. Now make sure you Ctrl+Shift delete that default folder. Now restart your Chrome. And your problem will be fixed. That's it guys, please do like the video and subscribe.